Hello friend, welcome to our channel. Today we learn BODMAS rule. In BODMAS rule, B for bracket, O for of orders, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, S for subtraction. In bracket, there are four types of bracket: line bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, big bracket. O for orders, that means power, square root, cube root. In the BODMAS root, we follow first bracket, second order, third division, fourth multiplication, fifth addition, sixth subtraction. Now we learn how to apply the BODMAS rule in some expression. In this expression, as per the BODMAS rule, first sequence to solve the bracket. So 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Therefore, 3 multiplied by 5 minus 2. Now, as per the BODMAS rule, the next operation is off, but there is no off in this expression. The next is the division, but there is no division in this expression. Then multiplication. In this expression, the multiplication is given. So now we apply the multiplication. So 3 multiplied by 5 is equal to 15 minus 2. Now, as per the BODMAS rule, there is an application of addition, but in this expression there is no addition. Now, subtraction. In this expression, subtraction is given. So, 15 minus 2 is equal to 13, which is our answer. Now, we solve another expression. As per the BODMAS rule, first we solve the small bracket. So, 150 minus big bracket 90 plus curly bracket 20 minus 14 minus 4 10. Now we solve the curly bracket. So 150 minus 90 plus 20 minus 10 10. Now we solve the another big bracket. So 150 minus 90 plus 10 100. Now as per the BODMAS rules, we do subtraction. Therefore 150 minus 100 is equal to 50, which is our answer. Now we solve the third expression. In third expression, first we solve the small bracket. 14 minus 2 is equal to 12 is equal to 22 plus 15 minus 5 multiply by 1 by 2 of 10 minus curly bracket 48 divided by 14 minus 2 is a 12. Now we solve the curly bracket. 48 divided by 12 is a 4. Therefore 22 plus 15 minus 5 into 1 by 2 of 10 minus 48 divided by 12 is a 4. Now, as per the BODMAS rule, we solve the off. Therefore, 1 by 2 of 10 is a 5. Therefore, 22 plus 15 minus 5 into 5 minus 4 is equal to 22 plus 15 minus 5 multiplied by 5, 25 minus 4 is equal to, now as per BODMAS rule, we done addition. Therefore, 22 plus 15 is equal to 37. 37 minus 25 minus 4. Now, 37 minus 25 is a 12 is equal to 12 minus 4 is equal to 8, which is our answer. Now friends, we are solving the fourth problem. In these problems, as per the BODMAS rules, we are solving the first bracket. There are powers in the brackets. So 3 raised to 2 is equal to 9. Therefore 6 plus 2 raised to 3 multiply by, in the bracket, 9 minus 7 is equal to 6 plus 2 raised to 3 multiply by 2. Now as per the BODMAS rule, first we solve the powers. Therefore 6 plus 2 raised to 3 is equal to 8 multiply by 2. Now as per the BODMAS rule, the operation is taken multiplication. Therefore 6 plus 16. Now 6 plus 16 is equal to 22, which is our answer. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.